What if I told you that you could create a computer virus with just a few clicks? This alarmist prospect is not a far-fetched idea anymore. In an era where artificial intelligence tools are becoming more increasingly user-friendly and accessible, the threshold for creating cyber threats has dramatically lowered. Today we're diving into this critical issue, exploring the consequences and what we can do to safeguard our digital lives. In a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence, the line between innovation and manipulation is becoming blurred. Today, we're diving into a digital realm where cutting-edge technology meets its darkest applications. In this episode, we'll explore how AI, a tool designed for progress, is being repurposed for cyber warfare. From deepfakes to AI-driven malware, the threat landscape is evolving, but so are the ways to combat them. Imagine a phishing email so convincing it knows exactly what to say to make you click. That's the reality of AI-driven cyber attacks. AI technology has significantly evolved, and with it, the sophistication of hacking attacks using AI has obviously increased. Here are some of the most common AI-powered hacking attacks. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from social media and other sources to specifically create high personalized and convincing phishing emails, making them more effective than traditional phishing attempts. Deepfake AI can generate realistic audio and video clips impersonating individuals. Hackers can use this technology for social engineering attacks, tricking people into divulging sensitive information, or simply performing actions by believing they are interacting with a trusted individual. Hackers can use AI to automatically scan system and software for vulnerabilities at a much faster and efficient rate than manual methods. This AI-driven approach allows them to exploit vulnerabilities before they are even patched. Malware enhanced with AI capabilities can adapt and evolve in response to the defenses it encounters. This makes it more resilient and harder to detect and remove. Botnets controlled by AI can perform more complex tasks such as managing large-scale distributed denial-of-service attacks, adapting to defense measures in real time. AI algorithms can speed up the process of password cracking by learning and predicting password patterns more effectively than traditional methods. Hackers use AI to find vulnerabilities in smart contracts on blockchain platforms. AI can process large datasets to predict which individuals or organizations are likely to be lucrative targets for cyber attacks. We've seen how AI can pose significant threats when misused, but it's not all doom and gloom. There are effective ways to defend ourselves and our organization. Let's dive into the world of preventative measures and emerging defensive technologies. One of the most exciting developments is AI-driven threat detection systems. These systems can learn and adapt, continuously improving their ability to detect new threats. Then there is blockchain. It's not just for cryptocurrencies. Its decentralized nature makes it an excellent tool for securing data and transactions. Another game changer is the zero trust model. It operates on a simple principle: never trust, always verify. But technology alone isn't enough. Staying informed, training employees, and fostering a culture of security are crucial. So, while the threats are real and evolving, our tools and strategies are becoming more sophisticated and effective. By being proactive and staying informed, we can stay one step ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key insights we've uncovered today. We began by exploring how AI, marvel of modern technology, is being manipulated for malicious purposes. From AI-powered phishing to deepfake technology, the landscape of cyber threats is evolving rapidly. We highlighted some of the most concerning AI-driven threats, including intelligent malware, AI-driven social engineering, and advanced phishing techniques. These are not just the potential threats, they are the real and present dangers. We also explored how the same technology can bolster our defenses, such as AI-powered security systems, quantum encryption, and collaborative cybersecurity efforts are at the forefront of this battle. We emphasized that technology alone isn't enough. Education, awareness, and good cyber hygiene are essential components of a robust defense strategy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And for those who are interested in a deeper understanding, stay tuned for our upcoming sessions. We'll be diving technically into some of the most sophisticated hacking tools out there, examining how they work, and more importantly, how to protect against them. As always, keep your data safe and curiosity alive.